Give us some picks now, Frank. Who are you liking? What company should we be eyeing as we're about to start a new year?
Well, I love Gran Colombia. They've turned the corner. They're paying down their debt every month. They've got free cash flow. They have no bank debt. They have no, so that is undervalued relative to most gold producers doing 150,000 ounces of gold.
People say the price of Bitcoin went up. It's not the price of anything. It's a cross rate. It's an exchange rate between dollars and Bitcoin. That's all it is. There are no Bitcoin bonds. You can't invest in Bitcoin. Bitcoin's not an investment. It's a form of money that the dollar's depreciating against Bitcoin, but the dollar's not depreciating against anything else, which tells me Bitcoin's a bubble.
Well, when is the big question mark? I would predict over the next 3 to 5 years. I think we'll see those prices. Why? Well, silver is an easy story. It's a supply demand and the uses that we're using silver for today. To go green, to do all the things that we want to do as the human race gets off oil and gas, we need a ton of silver to accomplish that. Electric cars, fuel cell cars, robotics, all the things that we're doing to improve the energy grid, to improve the way of life for all humans on the planet.
Bitcoin is living in a world that's totally unregulated. It's not transparent. It uses an enormous amount of power. It's contributing to global warming. And gold is a monetary asset that is accepted around the world. It has more regulations on it, because it's been used a lot longer. I think the cryptocurrencies, there's going to be governments trying to control those.
I got some rules, tricks of the trade, you might say. I look for projects that have an investment payback less than 3 years. So for example, let's take what Ross Beatty's becoming a chairman, that I'm a very large shareholder at Equinox. They have under $800 gold, they're economic and make money. So I don't need $1,500 or $1,600 gold or $1,400 gold. We're basing our economics on $800 gold. So always look for the lowest cost quartile in politically stable jurisdictions.
I look at the Bitcoin price at 8,000 and I think everything I've ever learned about or read about gold makes me think gold should be at 8,000 and Bitcoin should be at 1,300. To me, it makes no sense. But at the same time, I think maybe this just wasn't the year for gold. I think the Trump trade and the rally we've seen in the broader stock market has kept hedge funds and investors just chasing tech stocks.
Are you liking Tesla stock?
What they did last week with the release of the Tesla Semi, yet again, they embarrassed the incumbents so badly because the truck is efficient. It makes sense charging when you're unloading. It goes uphill at 65 miles an hour. The way the platform is for the driver to be in the middle, the way you can convoy 3 trucks, and they say it's more efficient than even rail. I think the 1,000,000 miles that an electric motor can drive, because these things are very robust, they're almost indestructible, and it's going to put a fire yet again with all the incumbents.
Silver has a history of building a very long and strong base. And excuse me for digression, but I used to, when I did the triathlon thing, the better your base, the better you're going to do in the race. And it's sort of the same thing with silver. So we have a good base. I think we are at the launch point in the next 3 to 6 months. I think 2018, not going to go straight up, but it's going to be a good year.